Let's take a quick look at what the Connectivity Heatmap does and what you can use it for. It shows how well an area is connected by using real street network data to find which areas are reachable from each hexagon using the set mode of transport within the specified time limit. Then it sums the reachable areas to show the overall connectivity. It can be used to explore if there are any barriers, gaps, or islands in the street network that block connectivity, or to see if the street, footpath, or cycle lane network provides equitable access across an area. In this tutorial, we'll compute a walking connectivity heat map with a 20-minute travel time limit. Let's go through the steps to create this in Go. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators. Then select Heatmap Connectivity from the menu. Now let's create the settings at the routing type. Choose walking, biking, pedelec, or car as the desired transportation mode. Here we're choosing walking. Then we need to set the travel time limit in minutes, and this can range from 3 minutes to 30 minutes. Lastly, we need to set the area of interest where the computation should take place. We're choosing a layer which we previously added from the catalog and filtered it to our area of interest. For more information on this checkout, our adding a layer and filtering videos. Then simply press Run to start the computation. The calculation usually takes a couple of seconds for an area this size. Now, let's take a closer look at the computed layer. When you click on a hexagon, you'll see the accessibility value. The bigger numbers indicate better connectivity. In this case, those are the darker areas, and the light areas have lower connectivity. However, watch out for irregularities. When spotting isolated hexagons or areas with low connectivity, it's worth taking a closer look. This could indicate either a barrier in the network, such as a missing path, or natural or built elements, like rivers, train tracks, or wide streets, that prevent an ideal street layout. This area is crossed by train tracks. They usually have few pedestrian crossings, which lead to significantly reduced walking connectivity around the tracks. Now you know what's connected and what's not. Try GOAT today and visit our documentation for more information.